Morning students, today we will discuss the concept exponents or powers. First of all, law of exponents. First law is if a has power m into a power 9. Here the base are same but powers are different, and between base multiply sign is there. If they have given you multiply sign, then it means you will add the powers. Then it becomes a power m plus n. So its example like 5 has power 4 multiply 5 has power 2. So now you can see the base are same, between multiply sign is there, so you will add their powers. So it becomes 5 power 4 plus 2, it becomes 5 power 6. Now again example, we will take another example of the rational number like 1 upon 3 has power 5 multiply 1 upon 3 has power 2. Now again the base are same, between them multiply sign is there, so we will add their powers. Then it becomes 1/3 power 5 plus 2, it becomes 1/3 power 7. The next law, if the base are same and between them division sign is there, then we will subtract the powers. Then that means the sign of the second power will be changed. So it will be a m. Now its sign is plus, but now it will convert into minus. So a power m minus n. So first of example, m power 4 divided by m power 2. So take the base 5, 4. Now subtract the powers, 4 minus 2, then it becomes 5 power 2. Another example, if they have given you 1 upon 5 power 6 divided by 1 upon 5 power 3. So you will subtract the powers because the base are the same and between them division sign is there. So 6 minus 3, 1 upon 5 power 3. Now the next law, if one integer has the two powers, a has two powers m and n, so we will multiply the both powers. So it will be m multiply n is equal to a power mn. So example of it, 3 power 2 and 5, that means 3 has 2 multiply 5, so 3 power 10. Next, if the both number has one common power, so we will write separately a power m, b power m. Like there they have given you two numbers, 3 multiply 2 power 4. So it means 3 power 4 multiply 2 power 4. Now the next example, we will write the same concept of in the rational number. If one rational number has power m, that means numerator also have same power and denominator also. Like if 2 upon 5 has power 2, it means 2 power 2, 5 power 2. Next is, if base has negative power, then how can you change into positive power? By reciprocal the base, you can convert the negative power into positive power. Like if 5 has power minus 2, so how you can convert into positive power? By making the base its reciprocal. So we will reciprocal the base and we will write now its positive power. Similarly, if they have given you integer rational number like 2 upon 5 has minus 3 power, so we will reciprocal of the base, we will find the reciprocal of the base and convert into positive powers. Okay. Our next topic is find the missing value. In this, firstly you will see both sides base are same. So firstly we will solve the left hand side. In this there is a multiply sign, so it means we will add the powers. So by adding minus 10 and minus 4, we get minus 14. Now both sides base are same, that's why powers will also same. So 2p is equal to minus 14. So value of p is equal to minus 14 upon 2 is equal to minus 7. Our next example, in this the base are same, multiply sign is there, so we will add the powers. So minus 1 upon 3 has power minus 3 plus 15. On the right side, minus 1 upon 3, 2 plus 3p power. So now signs are different. Minus 3 plus 15 both have the different sign. So we will subtract them. So we get minus 1 upon 3 power 12. Now we will follow the same rule. If the base are same, then powers will be also same. So 12 is equal to 2 plus 3p. So value of 3p is equal to 12 minus 2. So value of 3p is equal to 10. So p is equal to 10 upon 3. This is standard form. In this, firstly we will shift the decimal after the first digit of the number. Our number is 564. So our decimal will be come on the after the first digit. So decimal will come after the 5. So now how many places we have shifted the decimal? Firstly we will count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have shifted the decimal after the 5 places. So you can check, firstly the decimals is in the front of the number. If there are so many zeros in front of the number, then our power will be come in the negative. So how many places we have shifted the decimal? 5 places. So power will be come on the minus 5. Our next example is, in this you can see the zeros are behind the numbers. So we will follow firstly same rule कि the decimal will come after the first digit. So decimal will come after the 3. So the number is 3.452. Now we will check how many digits after decimal will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So there are zeros at the end. So our power will be positive. So how many places we have shifted the decimal? 7 places. So 10 power 7. Our next topic is non-exponential form. In this they have given you the standard form. So now firstly we will check ki which is the power here. 7 is power here. So we will shift the decimal on the right side if they have given you the positive power. So we will shift the decimal 7 places on the right side. So our number become, we have shifted the 4 places. Now we will want 3 more places. So we will add 3 zeros here to complete the 7 digits. And next example is, if they have given you negative power. If they have given you negative power, then you will shift the decimal on the left side. Then you will add the zeros on the left side. So firstly you will count ki how many digits you will shift the decimal. We will shift the decimal 6 places on the left side. So firstly we will write this number. Now there is one digit 7 is there. So we want 5 more digits. So we will add 5 more zeros here. And then we will put the decimal and 1 0.